Hi everyone, today we have a special unboxing video for you. We are unboxing the Sonos Roam, which is a portable Bluetooth speaker. And one nice thing I have found already, there are tabs on the sides of the box, or top and bottom since I have it standing up. And there's a little fabric-y looking handle type thing on their boxes. It's very interesting. So go ahead and pull this tab. Go ahead and pull the other tab there. And then how do you, which way opens it? I almost dropped it. Oh, that's weird, unless that's the wrong way. The lid comes off. Yep. Wow. It's triangular, I guess, is what you could describe this as. And it has a interesting wrapping around it. It was almost like a cloth that they wrapped this in. That almost kind of feels like you shouldn't take it off, but you almost have to. But I can't. There we go. Yeah, this is, wow. Oh, and it says, oh wow, it has raised Sonos writing on it. There's a USB-C port on the back. Tactile-ish buttons in a row of 3 and then one up at the top. It's very small. Kind of reminds me of a water bottle.
There is one on the table next to you if you want to like put them side by side to demonstrate the size of it.
Oh, actually, you're supposed to put it like this. There's 4 rubber feet, and I just realized that. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's literally as tall as this water bottle minus the water bottle is just a little bit taller. That is so cool.
What about the width?
I mean, you can't really, that's hard to, yeah, it's almost the same. The speaker has a very triangular shape though. Not necessarily triangular because you put it down. You lay it down on its feet. And there's a button on the back and a USB-C port for charging, and then the 3 buttons. And yep, the writing, which is, I think that's really awesome, the Sonos writing on it. So that is the unboxing. One thing I did forget to mention in the unboxing, you get a USB-C to USB-A cable and your boring old documentation that probably nobody reads. And we also had to order, I wanted to order this separately, a power brick, because it didn't come with one. You only got a cable in the box. But one nice thing about this speaker, it actually charges via any key-based wireless charger. And they actually have their own, but it was back ordered at the time of purchase. So now we are going to look at the setup process and see just how accessible that is.
Sonos settings heading. Setup heading. Select your product. Estimated time 5 minutes button.
So I'm guessing I go ahead and click on select your product.
Select setup. Select your product. Estimated time 5 minutes button. New card. Item 1 of 1 searching for nearby products. Make sure they're powered on.
Of course. Let's see. I don't know.
Item 1 of 2 shadow, so knows wrong. Serial number.
Aha. So I was right. That's just a very stiff power button.
Item 1 of 2. Adjustable. Close. Button. Item 1 of 2 shadow, so knows wrong. Serial number. Add. Button. Add. Alert. Sonos would like to send you notifications. Notification. Don't allow. Button.
Of course, all the notifications
Sonos.
stuff.
Allow microphone access to detect a chime from your Sonos ROM. Turn it on in your mobile device settings, then return to the Sonos app. Allow microphone. How does Sonos use allow microphone? Button. How does Sonos use this? Button.
Are you gonna allow it?
Yeah, but I was curious what that is.
Oh.
How does Sonos use this? Quick help. Close button. Allowing microphone access. Heading levels. The Sonos app uses the microphone on your mobile device too. Bullet lists automatically detect a chime from your Sonos product that includes an audio passcode required for setup.
Oh.
Bullet. Tune your Sonos products with TruePlay. So what if I don't allow microphone access?
Okay.
Bullet. This allow it close button. Close. Allow microphone access to detect a chime. Allow microphone button. Allow micro alert. So don't okay button. New card. Getting your Sonos ROM ready. Please wait. Getting your Sonos ROM ready. New card. Continue button. Let's play a chime on your Sonos ROM to temporarily connect your mobile device to it. Let's play it. Continue. Close button. Continue button. Dimmed. New card. Connecting to your Sonos ROM. Please wait.
Wow.
Show password. New card.
That was cool.
It sounded really good.
It was all
For a speaker-
super bassy and
Yeah.
wow.
For a speaker that tiny, that
Password.
sounded
Text
really
field.
good.
Now let's add your Sonos ROM to your
Entered in the Wi-Fi password. Gonna go ahead and tap connect now.
connect. Please wait. New card. Adding your. There's an update available. New card. Image. There's an update available for your Sonos ROM that must be completed 2 to 6 minutes before you can use it. Image update button. Close button. Close update button. Update. New card. Update tip 1 of 8 tune with TruePlay trademark. Adapt the sound of your speakers to the acoustics of the room. Update tip 1 of 8 adjustable. Update tip 2 of 8. Update tip 1 of 8 tune with TruePlay downloading and applying new software. Please wait. Restarting your Sonos ROM. Please wait.
I'm really impressed with the accessibility of the Sonos app.
I am too. I'm very impressed with that. Even the box, like that was just awesome. There were little tabs that you pull. You don't have to worry about like cutting.
New card. Your Sonos ROM has been added.
Wow.
You can continue personalizing in settings.
Wow.
Image. A black done button. Done. New card. Sonos ROM can use auto TruePlay to adapt to your environment. Continue button. Close. Continue button. Continue. New card. Sonos ROM retunes when you pick it up and periodically adjust the sound as long as the microphone is on. Enable button.
Sure. Let's go ahead and enable auto TruePlay. See how that works.
Enable. New card. Auto TruePlay is enabled on your Sonos ROM.
And it's cool. The phone is actually doing vibrations occasionally when it switches to new screens to let you know that steps are done.
Wow. Impressive.
Unmuted.
Oh, I wonder, I'm gonna see if the app might do sounds too, but
Auto
You
TruePlay
had it
done
muted
button.
this whole time.
yeah, because I
Done. Settings. Heading. Setup. Heading. Get to know your Sonos ROM. Estimated time. 5 minutes. Button. Close. Button. Add your favorite music services. Estimated time. 1 minute. Button.
Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead, just for grins right now, go ahead and add a music service. Tap on add a music
Done.
service.
Button. Add music services. Heading. Filter. Button. Apple Music. Unlimited access to the world's music and experts to select the right music for you. Plus reimagine live radio with Beach One. Button.
Yep, add that.
Apple Music. Unlimited. Get just about every song ever recorded. Add to Sonos. Button. Apple Music. Add service. Heading. Apple Music. Add to Sonos. Button. Get just about every song ever recorded and the experts to recommend the right ones for you. Learn more. Service website. Button.
There's an add to Sonos button. Click
I
it.
know, I'm reviewing the screen because I'm curious myself.
Apple Music. Add to Sonos. Button.
Click add to Sonos.
I'm already a member. Button.
I'm already a member.
Select an option below to open Apple Music and continue setup. I'm already a member. Button.
Oh, is it gonna kick me into the music app?
Music.
Yep.
Not now button. Not now. Connect Sonos to Apple Music. Enter a name for this account. It will only be used if another Apple Music account is added.
Cool.
So you can add multiple.
Daniel, text field done button. Browse back button. Apple Music heading. Apple Music image black text for you. New. Radio. My music.
Cool. That is really cool. That is how you add Apple Music, and that was very accessible. I'm beyond impressed actually. Like that is really cool.
Sever red.
Oh, it's very quiet.
Isn't it?
Where's the volume buttons? I don't know.
There's on the, you can feel like a plus. You can feel like a plus and like sounds good. There we go. All right.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
That
impressive.
I don't even have any words right now. That is awesome. Awesome.
All right. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Yeah, hopefully you guys found this informative. I was too excited to probably have as many words as I probably should have, but it was fun. I think the speaker is going to be amazing.
And we're gonna play with it some more and then record a podcast about it. So
That will be way more in depth.
for sure.
So be on the lookout for that. And
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this.
See you next time.
All right. Bye.